A phylogenetic tree is a diagram of the hypothesized evolutionary history of a group of organisms. So here is a phylogenetic tree that shows the evolution of earrings. So the first thing we need for the tree are the OTUs. OTUs, or operational taxonomic units, are species or the groups they were comparing. So in this case, we have rock or stone, drop earrings, danglings, chandeliers, large hoops, huggies, clusters, pearls, and diamonds. So these are our OTUs. This is also a rooted tree because the distance between the OTUs is known, and we can know the order of divergence by comparing the OTUs to the outgroup. So our outgroup is the rock or stone, and this is an outgroup because it is an OTU that has diverged earlier than all of these OTUs. So the internal nodes represent a common ancestor in the following branches. The branch length represents the evolutionary time between the nodes, and so the shorter branches, like this one, are more closely related. This is also where we can see an example of cladogenesis, which is where one species branches off into two or more separate species. So anagenesis is when species slowly accumulates changes until it reaches a point where it's no longer the same species. So the difference between anagenesis and cladogenesis is the absence of branching, which we can see in cladogenesis. So the original species doesn't die off, but over time it simply dissolves into another species. So coming back to the tree, the earrings split off into earrings with hooks and earrings without hooks. So the earrings with hooks then evolve into drop earrings and non-drop earrings. So drop earrings don't swing back and forth while non-drop earrings do. So I can show a demonstration here. So this one has a hook here, but it doesn't move. So we can see another instance of cladogenesis right here. And so the non-drop earrings evolve into elaborate fancy earrings, so the chandeliers, which we can see there, and then the simple earrings, like the danglings, which just have one small stone or piece attached to it. Now, if we look at the non-hook earrings, they evolve into hoop earrings and non-hoop earrings. So we see some more instances of cladogenesis here. So the hoop earrings evolve into large hoops and huggies, which are smaller hoops. The non-hoop earrings then evolve into clusters and studs, and then the studs evolve into pearl studs and diamond studs. So we talked about internal nodes before, and so if we look at clusters and studs specifically, the most recent common ancestor is at this internal node, which will be the non-hoop earrings. Keep in mind, they also have other common ancestor at this node as well, but this node is the most recent common ancestor.